Okay, so this is the unveiling of our big Maoli from that last video. Let it get really ripe. And we're going to find out now whether there's more than one banana in here, if there's a jelly core, is there a big pithy core, is this one banana? So I think the best thing to do is just cut through. It is kind of a double, but not a true double. Like I don't see a veil.
Whoa.
But it does seem to have.
It looks like
a
an
double,
extra large banana.
I'm gonna go right down the middle, I think.
Whoa, weird.
Wow, we're kind of getting that jelly core like you get with Maolis. I get a very gooey jelly-like inside, like you can kind of see it happening in that corner.
And it's really
and
ripe.
You can definitely see it through here. It smells intense, and that does kind of look like two. Is that two veins of seeds, maybe? Like,
Interesting.
I think maybe that is kind of like the closest you're going to get to conjoined twins for a banana, without there actually being a peel down the middle. So yeah. There we go. Big fat Maoli banana. We're going to go cook them up now with a little butter. Yeah. Aloha.